gonna be loud.
Target. Oh man, it's one of those hole sights.
Hold your ears.
I'd rather not.
In my wrist brace.
Well, did you hear it, Aaron?
Ow!
It is pretty accurate. Is it loud? Let's go, man. It's accurate. It's a whoop ass. It's freaking Indians.
You like that kid?
That was a different kind of like thing than my gun.
What'd you pour in there? 50 or 100?
10. Do it.
90. That was 90. Yeah, that's what I use for hunting mode.
Ken's turn.